Can AI replace the Scrum roles in Scrum, like product owner, Scrum master, and developers, etc.? If you're interested in hearing the answer to that, stay tuned. Hello, my name is Tim McDearman, and I'm a senior IT project manager / Scrum master residing in Tampa Bay, Florida. Tampa Bay is a beautiful city, and there's lots of beautiful outdoor locations to go visit every weekend, and that's what I do. This is a beautiful location right now called Violet Curry Preserve in North Tampa. Beautiful lake behind me. I'm out on a beautiful trail. The weather is bright and sunny and cool breeze is blowing. Can AI or AI bots replace people in the Scrum process? Particularly, can they replace the roles like the product owner, the developers, and the Scrum master? Beginning with the product owner. AI can help support the product owner function by providing the product owner with the information, the data, etc., to make the decisions that they have to make. They have to make decisions about what the goals should be of every sprint, what should go into a sprint. They have to make decisions about the value of every story, etc., to be a good product owner. And you can use the bots to gain the information, to cull the data in the company's databases and knowledge warehouse, etc., to get the information about what's important to the company. But the product owner has a lot of human-facing roles. He has to deal with the stakeholders and communicate with them on a regular basis. I don't think a bot can do that. Bot's not going to be good at doing it. Bot doesn't understand people. People are complicated. Bots are not that complicated. It can't handle it. The product owner has to come up with the strategy. Bots not so good at coming up strategy, can't look at as many different variables as a human being can. And it's hard because they can't look at all the variables, it's hard for the bots to be good at setting goals. So I think that the AI bots will support and be used by the product owner, but they won't replace them. Next up, developers. Will a bot replace the developer? What a bot can do is it can write code. It can take code and analyze it and give you an overview of what the code does. But the bots are not good at making sure that the work that's being done by the developers is going to achieve the particular goal that the product owner is trying to achieve with this item. They're not good at that, and they're not good at tracking unique challenges, people challenges. Even though they're a developer, they come up against people challenges all the time, and they have to decide which options to take. A bot's not going to help them decide which of the technical alternatives they can use is going to be the best one for the code that they're working on. So again, developers are not going to be replaced by bots, but they're going to be helped by bots. So they're going to be important for developers to know how to use AI, but the AI will not replace them. Next role, Scrum Master. What the bots can do for the Scrum Master is they could look at the overall logic and find bottlenecks, and look at the overall process that they're using, going from people to people, etc., and find out where the bottlenecks are going to be, if there's going to be enough resources, business analysts or testers, etc., to complete the project. But a bot can't lead a team. A bot cannot lead a team. To lead teams, you have to have good what? Communication skills, right? A bot doesn't have the people skills to know how to communicate well. Bots don't know social interactions. They don't know to, say congratulations on your birthday that just passed, or congratulations on your wedding, etc. They don't have the people skills. They don't have the emotional intelligence skills. So a bot will very unlikely ever replace the Scrum Master at all. But it will. So all of these roles, the product owner role, the developer role, and the Scrum Master role, won't be replaced anytime soon by AI. But if you want to continue working as a product owner, developer, or Scrum Master, you will have to learn AI. You're either going to learn, you either get on the AI train or you're going to get run over by the AI train, okay? Bots don't have people skills, so though we don't have to worry about replacing them, but the AI is going to be so ubiquitous, it's going to be like Microsoft Word. It's not something that there's a specific role on the team for, but it's something that every role would have to know in order to be qualified, in order to get the job, etc. It's going to be a part of every role, but it's not going to take or replace anybody's job. Thank you all very much. This is a beautiful day outside, nice crisp cool weather. I'm out in front of a beautiful lake. I'm going to continue my hike, and there's somebody coming, so I need to get off the camera right now. I hope you like this video. If you like, click on like, put your questions in the comments, and share the video with your friends. Thank you all very much.